Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Fortune Clover Slot Game. So this is basically an application or kind of game that is available in Google Play Store, where you can earn money by just doing simple steps. As you can see, they have provided instruction. You just need to spin the win or play some game, and then you can win the cash, and you can even earn money through their huge jackpot of lucky box, and then you can withdraw that money as well. So sounds pretty simple, right? Now let's find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, like, this application is created by a company named as Chacha Developer. So I try to open it up here in the Google Play Store, and they do have some other applications as well, so which is a green signal. Apart from that, I've seen the ratings of this application on the APK Pure site, and 1000 plus persons have already downloaded it, and this latest version was upgraded in the August 10th 2025, and now it's 19th, so which means they are pretty much updating their applications very frequently, which is a good signal. And as you can see, they have 500,000 plus downloads. This is also a major kind of benefit of this application. So it seems like this application is trustworthy. So the Chacha Developer is basically about the Swiss Media. This is the company that produces these softwares, and this is a legit company. I've tried searching for it. As you can see, the domain name on the whois.com. Swiss Media was registered back in 2024, so this is not a really new one. So this seems like this application is trustworthy. So in conclusion, I would say you can invest your time on this application until and unless you don't need to pay anything. So there is no harm in trying it out and just figuring out if it actually you can withdraw the money from this game. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.